Understanding magnetic declination, navigating the invisible forces. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into an intriguing aspect of our planet that affects everything from ancient navigation to modern GPS systems. Magnetic declination might sound complex, but it's a fundamental concept that helps us understand how compasses work and why they don't always point true north. Let's unravel the mystery together and make sense of these invisible forces. Magnetic declination, also known as magnetic variation, is the angle between true north, geographic north, and magnetic north, where the compass needle points. This discrepancy occurs because the Earth's magnetic poles do not align perfectly with its geographic poles. In simple terms, if you're holding a compass, the direction it points as north isn't the true north pole of the Earth, but rather the magnetic north, which can be hundreds of miles away. Understanding magnetic declination is crucial for accurate navigation. Without accounting for this difference, travelers, pilots, and sailors could end up significantly off course. Maps and GPS devices often include information on magnetic declination to help correct this discrepancy. For example, if you're hiking in an area with a 10-degree east declination, you'd need to adjust your compass 10 degrees west to find true north. Magnetic declination changes depending on where you are on the Earth and varies over time as the Earth's magnetic fields change. Specialized maps, called isogonic charts, show lines of equal declination across different parts of the world. These charts are essential tools for anyone who needs to navigate using a compass. Moreover, modern navigation systems and smartphones automatically adjust for magnetic declination, making it easier for us to find our way. The Earth's magnetic field is dynamic, meaning magnetic declination does not stay constant. Shifts in the Earth's outer core, where the magnetic field is generated, can alter magnetic declination over time. Scientists continuously monitor these changes to update navigation tools and ensure accuracy in navigation. We hope this video has illuminated the fascinating concept of magnetic declination and its significance in our world. Whether you're a seasoned navigator or simply curious about how our planet works, understanding these invisible forces can enrich your appreciation of the Earth's complexities. Remember, the next time you use a compass, there's a whole world of science ensuring you find your way. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more wonders together.